SQL normalization. In simple words, SQL normalization is a way to organize data properly in a database. It removes duplicate data and avoids confusion. This helps keep the data clean, accurate, and easy to manage. Why normalization is needed? When data is repeated, mistakes and mismatches happen. Normalization helps store data only once. This saves space and makes updates simple and safe. There are three rules in normalization. First, each column should contain only one value. No cell should have multiple entries together. This makes data clear and readable. Second, data should depend on the entire primary key, not part of it. This avoids partial dependency. It keeps related data properly connected. Third, data should not depend on another non-key column. This removes indirect dependency. The result is a well-structured database as shown in the picture for reference.